Ilang dekadang pagsasama nila ni Dennis. Nang taong ding iyon, pinasok ni Marjorie ang masalimuot na mundo ng politika. Dito nasubukan ang katatagan ni Marjorie bilang isang babae, bilang isang ina.
Nakaka-stress ba sa mother yung sabay-sabay nagiging teenager sa mga baby?
Yes, it is very stressful, especially because mga babae sila. Julia's needs, ang dami niyang needs. Iba ang requirements ng isang anak ko, iba yung requirements ng It's very stressful.
Nung una kang pumasok sa politika, ano ba talaga ang gusto mo sanang gawin mo?
Na-enjoy ko ang legislative work. I really enjoy the work. It's the politics behind it that siguro hindi ko kaya. Like what I told you earlier, it can be cruel. I don't think my children deserve that right now that they're starting their own lives and their careers. I think the last thing they need is a headache coming from me.
Itinakwil ng ina si Gretchen Barreto dahil sa umano'y kasinungalingang ipinapakala tungkol sa...
Kamakailan lang, muli na namang naharap sa gitna ng mga kontrobersya ang pamilya Barreto. Ito ay patungkol sa tila lalong lumalalang alitan ng magkakapatid na sina Gretchen, Marjorie at Claudine. At sa pagkakataong ito, kabilang sa hidwaan ang kanilang inang si Mami Inday.
What do you have to say about what happened? Medyo tahimik na, pero wala pang naririnig ang publiko mula sa'yo.
It's hard kasi mag-comment, Karina, because how do you fight with your mother, right? Diba? Or it's hard to comment even up to now. But siguro mas pangit sa pananaw ng tao than what is really actually happening inside. Pero ako, I don't know if I'm ready to talk about it yet. Pero sa alam ko sa sarili ko, alam ko ang katotohanan. I know who is telling the truth, and that's what matters.
Is it correct to say that the family is split right in the middle? Two siblings against two other siblings with the mother? Ganon ba yun?
Actually, it wasn't supposed to end up that way. Siguro kung hindi na-involve yung media, hindi na nagka-split eh. Marami kami, Corina, you know that, right? 7 kami magkakapatid, hindi naman kami 3 lang. I know that in time, maybe someday, makikita namin ano ba talaga ang gusto namin ma-achieve sa family dito. Ano ba gusto namin maayos dito. But right now, I am enjoying the space.
Ano ang secret mo kung paano mo ipinapaliwanag sa mga anak mo yung mga nangyayari na yan?
I tell my children everything. I don't keep anything from them, whether it's good or bad. Basta alam nila lahat. They get the truth from me. That's what's important.
Tulad ng ibang mga ina, walang ibang hangad si Marjorie kung hindi ang kapakanan at ang ikabubuti ng kanyang mga anak.
My life has been an open book to them, to my kids. Like I say, I tell them everything. So kung ano mga pagkakamaling nagawa ko along the way, yun na lang ang huwag niyong tularan. Yung nakita mong magandang nagagawa ko, disundin niyo. Kung nakita niyo hindi tama, huwag niyo na lang gayahin. They will be spared a lot of pain.
So it's Mother's Day. Do you have a message for your mom?
I don't know what to say, Corina, honestly. Sometimes I don't even know what to pray about anymore. I just hold the rosary or my wooden cross, and I know in time I will know, but it's not a good time.
It's not a good time right now. So bilang mother na lang,
Bilang mother,
kay Julia, ano ang gusto mong sabihin sa kanya?
I'm behind all of my children in everything they want to be. I pray for them so hard. And I'm going to be their biggest fan, their biggest supporter, and their biggest protector forever. Nobody in this world can love them as much as I love them.
And you, for your mother?
Happy Mother's Day. I love you and thank you for being an inspiration to us and for being strong for us.
Happy Mom's Day! Congratulations. Well done, Marjorie. Well done. At ito yung produkto. Ayan.